All four locked up and ready. They weigh in racing for the exception handicap, a level break by all the four runners. And as the field settles down, it is Great Guns who gets down to business to lead by about a length and a half. Good on the inside, Main Street. Multiverse on the outside, and a close last is Stormy Ocean. You pass the 1800-meter marker now, and in the gold colors is Multiverse who takes it up. Goes by about 2 lengths to the good of Great Guns. Tracking Great Guns on the inside is Main Street, and a close last there is Stormy Ocean. Not much pace in this race as Multiverse has really slowed it down in front as they pass the mile marker. Continues to be Multiverse on the inside. On the outside, tracking him in single file is Great Guns. Another 2 lengths away is Main Street. Another couple of lengths behind is Stormy Ocean. The quartet now come towards the iconic Victoria Memorial, and it continues to be Multiverse in a start to finish mission by about a length and a half to good of Great Guns with jockey with G. Vivek. Tracking them in third place is Main Street with Trevor. And a couple of lengths behind last is the top-weighted Stormy Ocean with Imran Chisti. No change in the order as they pass the 1,000-meter marker. It continues to be Multiverse by about a length now, getting a lot closer. In second is Great Guns. Tracking them in third is Main Street with Trevor. Another 3 lengths away is Stormy Ocean with Imran Chisti as they come towards the 800. Multiverse on the inside. On the outside, Great Guns is asking. Then running third is Main Street. Then another 5 lengths away is Stormy Ocean as they start negotiating the bed and straighten up for the final run-in. Great Guns kicks for home by about a length and a half. Good on the outside is Main Street. Then another Multiverse, and on the inside is Stormy Ocean. But it's a ding-dong battle here between the 2 doctor horses. Main Street on the outside is traveling the better of Great Guns at the moment. It's on the outside, Main Street gone about a length clear of Great Guns. It's all over, bar the shouting. Main Street going on to win very, very comfortably from Great Guns. Another 6 to 8 lengths behind was Stormy Ocean, and Multiverse bringing up the rear. So Main Street is from